Hello, this is Tyres. I've got a Ford Kuga here on a 67 plate. Just done a rear puncture on this one. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light. Now these are the tyre sizes right here, 235, 45, 19, and that's the pressure right there as well. That's what you got to put in, and if you got load or whatever, you know, that's what you got to do. Now to reset it, it's quite a simple procedure. That's what we're looking at right there. It's a tyre pressure warning light. Now I've got the engine running as we speak, as you can see right there as well. It's on a 900 RPM. Now you got to play with these buttons right here. Now if you look right in the middle there, if I press the left arrow button, I'll go down to settings, press OK, and then I'll go into driver assist, press either right or OK again. I'll scroll down to tire pressure monitor, press OK. Now what I gotta do on this one now, I gotta press hold this button. If I go back onto time monitor, press hold the button, as you can see it's resetting now. There we go. That's all you gotta do on your vehicle. If you've got a Ford Kuga here on a 67 plate and above or below, you can reset it that way. Anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel for more videos and like the videos as well. Thank you very much. Goodbye.